Hi, my name is Paige Botel, and I am a 2023-2024 South Dakota LEND Physical Therapy trainee. Attending a football game with my real-life experience family was one of my most memorable experiences during my time as a trainee. During this experience, I got to witness a close friend interaction between my LEND brother, who has cerebral palsy, and a girl in his class. It was truly inspiring to see the friendship between these students and imagine all the things they will learn from each other as they continue to grow up. My biggest advice to future LEND trainees is to attempt to relate every piece of new information, each personal interaction, and all other experiences to your role as a future healthcare professional. How will your time as a South Dakota LEND trainee influence the way you care for others?
Hi, my name is Kylie, and I am one of the occupational therapy student LEND trainees for this year. Being a LEND trainee has been an amazing experience and a great opportunity for personal and professional growth. I have learned about the importance of interdisciplinary care and how valuable it is for families that we work with. I would tell future LEND trainees to take any opportunity that you have to attend clinics, any other leadership experience, and spend time with your real life experience family.
Hi everyone, this is Valerie Hoosby. I'm the parent trainee for the 2023-2024 LEND academic year. And the most memorable experience for me for LEND this year was going to peer and being able to see the legislative process firsthand again. And I guess my advice for future LEND trainees would be to take advantage of every experience that you can. There's going to be a lot that you can do, but try to do as much as you can as schedule allows and things like that, because LEND is really the experience you make it. So have a great day. Bye.
Hi, my name is Keely Walker and I'm a medicine trainee. LEND has been an amazing opportunity for me to learn from and with individuals from different life and educational backgrounds. I've learned so much not only about disability, but also about social determinants of health and barriers people face in reaching their greatest health potential. LEND met and exceeded my expectations, educating me on the rights of individuals with disabilities and the resources available for people with disabilities, their families, healthcare professionals, and more. I would recommend future LEND trainees really try to absorb as much as they can, because knowledge of the resources, leadership skills, and network of trainees is going to be invaluable to future practice.
Hello, my name's Kishwar. I'm with social work. The most memorable experience for me was going on the AUCD trip and interacting with many diverse professionals on a collaborative level for a common cause. This traineeship has made me realize that it does take a village. The LEND program operates within several interdisciplinary clinics from providing those diagnostic services, and I want to take that collaborative approach and apply it to my clinical social work practice in the future. LEND has provided me with a platform to discover my leadership skills. For future LEND trainees, I would suggest sign up for as many clinics as you can. That is where you'll get those practical skills. To me, the essence of LEND is changing the way professionals think and empowering them to go out and change others. It is an incredible opportunity for personal and professional growth. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Taylor Beagle, and I'm the 2023-2024 Genetic Counseling LEND trainee. And there's so many valuable things that I feel like I can take with me from LEND, but I would say my most memorable is definitely going to AUCD in Washington, and having a chance to learn more about disability policy making, and the research that's going on in that sphere right now, and getting to hear all the great speakers who are really, really involved in that kind of sphere. But my biggest advice would be, the year goes by really fast and it can be very overwhelming at times. But you're gonna blink and it's gonna be done. So enjoy your time while you can and say yes.
One of my most memorable experiences from LEND was when we went to Peer for the legislative session. Then I got to experience firsthand policy and advocacy at the national level by attending the Disability Policy Seminar. It was super empowering and eye-opening to see the influence that advocates have, and I can't wait to take what I learned to my future work.
Hey everyone, my name is Josh Mose and I'm a medicine LEND trainee at the University of South Dakota. One thing I learned and that I will use in my future is just the perspective that I gained. From the various clinics to the panels held by people with ranging disabilities, I was able to learn so much about their unique perspectives and the navigations that they and their families faced. I was also able to learn about the lens that every discipline sees through, and this will give me a unique perspective that you wouldn't typically get during your training. This program was such a great way to get involved in something that you can be passionate about.
Hi, I'm Erica Clark, and I am a nutrition and dietetics student at SDSU, and I was the nutrition trainee for LEND this past year. I'm very grateful for all the opportunities and experiences that LEND has given me throughout this past year. My most memorable experiences were during the monthly LEND clinics. These clinics allowed me to be a part of an interdisciplinary team and learn about the other discipline as well as my own and how we all work together as one. Learning and working on these interdisciplinary teams have given me the experience and knowledge that I will need to become a future registered dietitian. My advice to future trainees is to take any opportunity that is given to you and learn as much as you can. The year goes fast and you should enjoy every moment of LEND.
My name is Kendra Templeton, and I am one of the social work LEND trainees. Two of my most memorable experiences during LEND this year was attending the AUCD conference and learning about the different lived experiences of self-advocates, as well as attending clinics and learning more about FASD and ASD and the many resources available to families.
Hello, my name is Ashlyn Bowker, and I was the South Dakota LEND Speech Language Pathology trainee this year. Prior to my time at LEND, I was hoping to gain more knowledge and skills in the areas of documentation, assessment, and overall collaboration with other healthcare professionals. I was able to strengthen my knowledge and skills in all of these areas, as well as learn more about resources and supports that I can provide to families of children with disabilities.
My name is Mackenzie Frederick, and I'm a second-year school psychology LEND trainee. Reflecting on my journey within the LEND program, some of the most impactful moments have come from the developmental and autism clinics. These clinics have given me great insight and have shown me how powerful interdisciplinary collaboration can be. Watching and being part of the interdisciplinary teams, you get to see how every person brings their own unique experience and expertise to the table to develop solutions to help children and families. Participating in clinics, leadership experiences, and FAMP class, I have developed so many skills and learned so much from my fellow LEND trainees that will help me in my future practice. I am very grateful for all the experiences and opportunities LEND has given me.
Hi, my name is Jessie Thomas, and I'm a clinical psychology trainee in the 2023-2024 LEND cohort. I applied to LEND hoping to gain more experience in interdisciplinary collaboration, and this year has exceeded my expectations. It has been so fun and informative to learn from and with my fellow LEND trainees. My most memorable experience this year has been the time I spent with my real-life family. They were generous enough to allow me to attend a variety of therapy sessions, and it was helpful to see the different kinds of services offered to individuals and increase my awareness of potential recommendation options as a future clinician. I am so grateful to have had this opportunity, and I'm excited for the new cohort.
Hello everyone, my name is Carolyn Blatchford and I'm an occupational therapy student. My biggest piece of advice for future LEND trainees is to take advantage of all the opportunities LEND will offer you this year. You never know what might spark your interest, and I especially encourage you to get to know the rest of your LEND cohort, as these individuals could become some of your best friends like they have for me, or they could be great professionals to know in the future as you continue on in pediatric practice. My most memorable experience with LEND has been getting to know and be a part of my real life family.
Hi, my name is Nerys Nicolette, and I was a LEND medicine trainee this year. Through LEND, I was able to gain so many new perspectives and ways that I can support future patients that I would have never been able to otherwise. It is hard to choose the most memorable experience. Thinking back, there are so many fun and memorable parts of LEND, from the peer trip and learning how to be a better advocate, to different discussions and panels during FAMP, to the clinic days. If I had to choose, I would say the various clinics were my favorite part. It was great to see everyone in their element, working with the families, and then coming together to collaborate on care. With all the different specialties, there was such a wealth of knowledge to learn from. It was also fun to meet the various families that came through the different clinics and hear each one of their unique stories. I would tell future LEND trainees to take advantage of each opportunity you can during your time in LEND. Like everyone says, the time goes fast.
Hi, my name is Dawson Pepke. I'm the 2023-2024 audiology LEND trainee. I would tell future LEND trainees to keep an open mind, enjoy your time as a LEND trainee as it goes fast. Be open-minded to new experiences, and don't be afraid to ask about new experiences. What LEND has meant to me, I've learned a lot about myself. I've learned a lot about other occupations and how they work with audiology, and it's been a great experience, so keep an open mind.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm a second-year clinical psychology student. The most memorable experience for me in LEND was going to all of the clinics. It was so helpful to watch how assessments were administered and how all of the professionals process and make diagnoses as a team. I feel like I have a better understanding of how different disciplines help children and families, and I also really appreciated being in class each week with students from all different areas of healthcare. It was really refreshing to have so many different viewpoints in class and work with people who are coming from all different academic backgrounds. I'm so appreciative of my LEND experience, and I'm so grateful I got this opportunity. I'm excited for you all to be in the next LEND cohort.
My name's Madison, and I was one of the physical therapy LEND trainees this year. Some of my most memorable moments came from our LEND developmental clinic days. I loved seeing all of my LEND classmates in their element and doing what they love, but even more so, getting to work together as a team to help families get the resources that they needed to help their children thrive. I firmly believe that this experience really enlightened me to other disciplines and how to effectively use them, and I'm very confident that this is going to help me in my future practice and help my patients get the best care that they deserve.
Hi, my name is Grace. I'm one of the occupational therapy LEND trainees for the 23-24 school year. LEND has been such an amazing experience, and some of my favorite things have been access to specialty clinics at the castle and within the Center for Disabilities. I've gotten to learn a lot of new assessments and apply hands-on skills that we are learning about in the classroom. Additionally, I really enjoyed going to Pier for the policy trip. It wasn't something that I was super interested in before, but that certainly changed after seeing our legislative session. I highly recommend you take advantage of all the different opportunities that come your way during your LEND school year, especially in the fall. It may seem super busy and school may be hard, but there's a lot of things you'll have access to in the fall that may not be opportunities in the spring. So I recommend that you take them and have a great year.
Hello, my name is Fletcher Thompson. I am the self-advocate for the LEND program at the Sanford School of Medicine. My main takeaway from LEND was that I was able to help the trainees with understanding my disability of autism and basically helping them with the parents and the kids in the clinic and during FAMP classes to help them with understanding autism. And I really do appreciate being able to help the other trainees with being able to help families in the future.